In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play YouTube music in background super easy. If you've ever wanted your favorite tracks to keep playing while you open other apps or turn your screen off, there are two straightforward ways to do it. The official route is a YouTube Music Premium subscription, which enables background and screen-off playback across devices. If you are looking for a totally free method, a privacy-focused browser like Brave makes it simple and works on both Android and iOS. Let's start with the easiest free method using the Brave browser. First, download and open the Brave browser from your app or Play Store. It's a fast, secure browser that you install just like any other app. Next, in Brave, go to music.youtube.com. That's the web version of YouTube Music. It loads like a regular website and you'll see the familiar home, search, and library options. From here, you can sign into your account if you want your personal library, liked songs, and playlists. Signing in is optional. You can also just search for an artist, album, or song and hit play. Once your music is playing, simply minimize the browser or lock your phone screen. The audio will keep going in the background. You can carry on checking messages, browsing, or even put the phone in your pocket, and your music continues uninterrupted. One of the nice touches with this approach is how seamless it feels. Playback behaves like any other audio source on your phone, so it's easy to keep your listening session going while you multitask. If you reopen Brave, your queue will still be there so you can switch tracks or start a new album. Now, if you prefer the official experience without using a browser, consider YouTube Music Premium. With a paid subscription, background and screen-off playback are supported by default in the YouTube Music app. You also get a more consistent interface, designed for mobile listening, which many people find convenient for daily use. That's it. Try the method that fits you best and enjoy uninterrupted listening wherever you go. Thanks for watching.